Hi, welcome to Fantasyomatic.com, and this is a quick video just to show you how easy it is to use our new player search beta feature. You can just come to the player search screen, which you'll be able to find under the weekly rankings heading every week, and we update the information for the current week every week at noon Pacific time. So if you're looking for the current week, just wait till all the ratings get updated. We'll upload it to the site, and you can follow us on Twitter. You can click here to follow us on Twitter just to find out when all the things are updated. Pretty easy there. Now, to actually use it, the idea is that you are trying to figure out who to start, either between two players in the same position or different players or just players over different positions. Either way, it's pretty easy. You just go into the Add Player window here, and I'm going to start typing in Dez. You notice that I don't have to type in Dez Bryant or the full name or anything like that. You can just type a partial and hit Add Player, and then you'll see any matching records from the top 200 of that week listed down below. I can also go in here and just do partial typing. Like, for example, I type in just GARC, I hit Add Player, and it goes and finds Pierre Garçon. I can also go in here. Notice I'll hit Thomas, and we get a couple of different Thomases. In this case, I'm just trying to compare wide receivers, so I'll go in here and click the red X. That removes the player from the list. Once you get all the players that you want to compare, there's a couple of different ways that you can sort it. If you want to learn more about what all these column headers mean, just simply review the legend, where we go into detail about all of them. And then also you'll notice any colors that are used follow our color charting that we've been using this season, the best all the way down to worst. The key really is just go with the highest number or the green or the dark green rating, and try to avoid the low numbers or the dark red, and the yellows are kind of in between. So here, let's say I'm trying to decide on which of these players to start this week. What I can do is just click on the matchup rating, and it'll sort them from top to bottom, whoever's got the best weekly matchup. You also see you can sort on the column header here. I can actually see to what degree the difference in their matchups is. We notice that the difference between Demaryius Thomas and Dez Bryant is much closer than the difference between, let's say, Dez Bryant and Pierre Garçon. So the actual number itself is very meaningful. In addition, let's say I want to determine trade values. So let's say someone has offered me a trade, Demaryius Thomas for Dez Bryant. I can hit the trade value button, or I can sort by the trade value, and I can see what I should be able to get back for a Demaryius Thomas. So it looks like the person getting Demaryius Thomas in this trade would be about 4 units higher. So you can enter in as many players as you want if you're trying to evaluate trades. You can enter as many as you want if you're trying to evaluate who to start. You can also look at the rest of season number here, which you see also favors Demaryius Thomas. So that factors in what their schedule is and who their opponents are moving forward. The trade value is something that we look at the player rating and then this intercept within each of the positions. So it's sort of like grading on a curve within the position. We combine those two together and we get the trade value, and we round it to an integer. So you can sort by all the different players that you're looking for. You can sort across, let's say, for example, between you're looking between wide receivers or between running backs. You can look at who might be the best to start this week. And you see that's a pretty close call here between these guys. The colors are there to assist you. We strongly encourage you to come back to evaluate trades. Use the rest of season to see who's got better schedules moving forward, the matchup rating for just who to start in a current week, and the player rating is just our proprietary algorithm-based player rating where you can do comparisons there. And all you have to do to be able to clear this out is just hit the little red X and go back and start adding players again. So, of course, this is all free. We really appreciate you coming to Fantasyomatic. Please tell a couple friends, maybe someone who's not in your league, so it doesn't ruin your advantage. And since it's all free, the way that we actually pay for all this stuff, all our hosting and bandwidth charges, is if you just simply click on this button here before you go to Amazon.com. You don't have to pay us anything. Just click here before you buy, and then just go do your normal shopping. The more you buy at Amazon.com during that session, the more we end up getting from an affiliate standpoint. And that's how we pay for everything thing here on the site. So rather than charge subscriptions, please just click through on Amazon when you buy next time. Try to bookmark that to remember it. But in the meantime, we're really excited about this. Certainly look forward to answering stuff on Twitter, but this should help answer 99% of the questions that we get. And we're happy to allow you guys to look through our database and enjoy our proprietary algorithm-based system here on Fantasyomatic.com. Thanks again for visiting.